When I got my little light on, it's about to get nasty. Come check it out. This is the nastiest house I've ever bought. Not the most cluttered, but absolutely the nastiest house I've ever bought. They've probably killed about a dozen rats in here so far, and you're gonna see why. I've actually got my little rat trap. We're trying this for the first time. I got some poison we're putting inside there, lining it with peanut butter, and they're just supposed to fall in. You've seen it as seen on TV, I'm sure. So we're gonna try that out and see how many we catch tonight. I wish I had a camera to put on this thing. Guarantee you we got to get like 20 of them or something. The outside, when you get to about right here, right in here, you can actually smell the stench blowing through this house. Oh God. Okay, just hit. So this is after they cleaned out all the furniture, full 40 cubic yard dumpster full. They're gonna roll all this up in the carpet, but this is after the main clean out. There's our bathroom. That is rat droppings. These people, this whole family was living in this house just like this. Bathtub, which is surprisingly clean compared to the rest of the house. You can see the cigarette smoke, tar lining the walls. Coming back on out here. So this room is a lot better. We're down to the concrete. Thankfully, it's not even super stained. The walls are nasty, but we'll get those covered. I'm having a hard time breathing in here, actually. This is basically how I'm walking around in here, just to clear out a little bit of the smells. All right, the other little bedroom, getting that cleaned out. Rat droppings. Those are big droppings too. Look at these mini blinds. Have you ever seen white mini blinds look that nasty? Dear goodness gracious. Let's head back. I hate walking on this. I'm glad I've developed a habit of taking my shoes off in the house now, thanks to my fiance. Okay, hang on. I just heard a rat. Oh my God. There you go. Here we go, guys. There's a few of them. There's one. Look how big these guys are. I hear them all throughout the walls. They're in the walls, just crawling around. Hang on, we got one. Look at this. Oh my God. This is crazy. We're gonna have to call an exterminator. Oh, there it is. Where'd it go? Oh, there's another one. These things are the size of little cats. I don't even want to be in here. There he is. That's just one of a dozen of them. Came around the corner. Oh, these guys are big. It's like the size of a possum. These things are not even scared of me. They're just walking around in the open like it's no big deal. What in the world? All right. Yeah, I don't know. I don't think my bucket's gonna cut it. We're gonna put it out here and get a head start. I'm just gonna drop these. Joey, what did you sell me, bro? All right, I've got my little ladder ramp thing loaded up with some peanut butter. I don't even think we're gonna need the peanut butter. I think they're just gonna come in here and chase this stuff. I'm gonna set it in the kitchen where the most rat activity is. I'm not sure we're gonna see more. Look, there's another one right there. He's hiding. You see him? Yeah, we're just gonna set it right. Oh my God. Oh, there he goes. Okay, we've got it set up just for fun. What do? We throw one over there, throw one over there, throw one over here. Yeah. Yeah. Ooh, this is the garage. I haven't shown you the garage yet. Do you understand that this is all just chewed things from rats? They've caused this. It is that crazy. So y'all want to know how much I paid for this thing? $90,500. $90,000. I'm definitely losing my tuchus on this one. Well, I'm not losing. I'm just going to be in it for more money than I wanted to be in it for. I gotta go.